what's going on today. We are heading over to Count's place this morning, and we're gonna see what he got going on. Hope you guys are having a good evening today or good morning. Nice and sunny out here today. It's been raining all week here in Bristol. Last video, whatever I showed about the 39 Packard, we call it the Black Beast. We actually started it up. He actually had the wood stain and everything. The back floor done. He had finished up the center console, and he also had made a piece for the motor cover. So I showed you guys that. But and plus this truck, it shakes just because the motor. You know, I tell you, man, she be wanting to get down the road. You hear me? I mean, she wants to get down the road, buddy. She don't be playing. And she's like, I want you to drive me. I'm a survivor. I'm a survivor. I think it goes something like that. I'm in a good mood, guys. I'm in a good mood. Life is good, you know. Life is good. Life is great. But I hope you guys are in a good mood as well. So I'm not gonna keep you guys too long. I'll cut you guys back on once I get to Count's place. Like I said, he got his seats in. He finished up the floor and everything. So the only thing he has left, from what he told me, was he just has to finish putting the doors on. And when he do the doors, then he'll have to, of course, do the upholstery and stuff for the inside of the doors. And also finish up the kick mount. So I'm actually taking some metal also over to Count and stuff so he can finish up his doors. And once we get over there, I'll turn you guys back on. The oil stick? I don't like the oil stick. That one there? Yeah. Well, you can always change it.
Oh, I know. I just wish I'd done it when I'm doing it. Yeah, it was stuck. Couldn't get the damn thing out.
I wonder why.
Probably rusted down in there.
But you had checked the oil and everything before, though, didn't you? I mean.
Oh yeah. I did all that. I'm just saying the oil stick. I couldn't get the oil stick out because.
Look at this. That's prettier. How you got the black and as far as that black, and then you got the black valve covers there.
It's all black.
Well, but that's little stripe.
That's right. Gets it a little bit of character.
Yeah, let me just go ahead and close it down. So now.
It's a lot of black.
I love how you did the wheels, man.
I just gotta get me something on here.
Oh
back
man,
here,
yeah.
I'm okay on. But I couldn't let nobody leave it but myself. I can tell you that.
And you can't be doing that a lot. You can't be opening it up and closing it like that. You know what I mean?
I won't be. I don't show it.
The other thing, they closed up really good and sat down on it. Look, I mean, but now Ron fabricated all of this off of the old piece. This here, all these pieces here. He actually made that whole piece over this piece here from the old piece. And I mean, look how that thing fit, like a brand new glove.
Actually, this one here turned out pretty good too, even with the old Hydro Boost.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, cause see, I thought it was gonna be like in a way. So that go. Ain't that something? How these old hoods? That's how that thing was made, so to fit right in that groove.
That's how it fits a little better the other side.
This side does?
Yeah.
I mean, why is that?
Don't ask me.
I mean, yeah. See how that fit?
I kept the day it was born.
It's hard to see the black, but it's a groove right there. And that thing fit. These old classic cars, man, they put together great, ain't they? And that's a big one. I have never seen one of those. He said that's a Hydro Boost. That come on a big heavy duty car, trucks. He said this thing will stop on a dime now.
Stopped on a dime right now.
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't had it out here, boy. You can tell it's got a good brake.
You said you did have it out there?
No, I haven't.
Oh.
But you can tell it's got a good brake.
And then you got everything like, look at this, or like Art Deco. Now, he actually did something cool with this. He actually took, those are Harley Davidson lights, actually. And he put both Harley Davidson lights, and he made them fit in there. He comes up with some cool ideas, I tell you. And you know what else that's kind of neat, too, that I just saw? Your signal lights. I like that. That's cool, man, you know?
It is cool.
I mean, it's not too, see if you guys can find the signal lights. It's not just too overbearing. You know, most of these trucks or cars, they have like a big old ugly little light and stuff. And look at this here. That's because that is so cool. And you know,
look behind, that worked out real nice.
That's all I was going to say next. Is that piece, the steering column.
Yeah,
that thing. Yeah,
it just disappeared.
And I mean, it was steering column behind here. Can't even. I mean, you can't even tell, man. Look at that. Look how that thing flows. I'm not gonna do. I must do a walk around once it's all done. I get so into these cars, into this car. I give you guys too much. Look at that. See, he fabricated both wheel wells. This one already had one on this side. Okay. But then he made one on both. He made one on this side as well. See? And he actually widened this. How much did you widen these?
2 inches.
2 inches, right? But you did the whole vehicle 14 inches, correct?
Cut the vehicle in half, cut 14 inches.
14 inches. Yeah. Wow. I mean, and that it was somewhere. Let me see. It was somewhere like it was like right up in here somewhere, wasn't it?
So where the single light goes is, you know, that's all wide where the single light goes. that all came this part bolted to this part.
Right. Wow. Look at that center console. Now since it got in, last time we just had it out. Oh, the Black Beast. This is what we're calling it. She should be the Black Beauty. I tell you, boy, this thing is. There goes Shop Cat again. Look at that there. Wow. This thing, man, whew, you going to see this going down the street. You know, I mean, seriously, man, it's going to be like, people going to see you and say, who is in that daggone expensive vehicle? They're going to be like, who is like, it's going to be like a Bentley. Like, who is in that Bentley?
They're going to think, what's his name?
The Cigar Man? That'd be nice, huh?
No, that's the Cigar Man. Jay Leno.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
They're going to think Jay Leno came to town.
Hey, Shop Kitty. I'm taking pictures. Shop Cat. Wow. Oh, no, man. This is just too much here, man. This is too much, boy. Especially too much for Bristol.
Looks different now. I got the front end.
Oh, yeah. Totally different. All right. Let's cut you guys off.
Up a lot of that black, so yeah, I think I chose the right color. It gives it that black gives it that limousine look.
Alright guys, we just left Oak Counts Customs. Just got through finished touring the Black Beauty. What you guys think? Man, that's a sweet ride, ain't it? And I'll be coming over here someday this week and we'll be I'm gonna help him with the doors. He actually showed me how his doors he put electric windows in those doors and everything too, like I did my my truck. So that's a beautiful, beautiful vehicle, man. People just don't understand what it takes to build one of those old trucks, cars. But we're gonna head back to the house now, and we're gonna do a little work, a little project at the house. So, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and stuff. I just want to show you guys the progress on Black Beauty, the 39 Packard, and everything. The she's looking good. So I want to thank you guys for hanging out with Classic Chevys with the Cigar Man. And if you got a fast truck and a good cigar, smoke them if you got them, baby.